Hello friends, this is an unboxing video of my new Bluetooth speaker Logitech X50. So let's open it. So as you can see from here, you have to tear down the wrapper. As we all know, basic Amazon packaging. It's in quite good packaging as well. So let's see what we get inside the box. I wish I get a Logitech Bluetooth speaker only, nothing else. So here's my speaker, Logitech. So the packaging is quite good. Let's remove this plastic wrap. Here we can see Logitech branding. Then this is Bluetooth X50 wireless speaker, and something written in Chinese as we don't know. So let's turn back. Yeah, here we can see manufactured by Logitech Asia Pacific Limited, Unit 1003, and the price written in this is 2495. Okay, so we get a net quantity of 1 unit, packaging contents, speaker 1 unit, cable 1 unit, and documentation as a basic packaging by Logitech. So let's open it, tear down the plastic. It's quite a good packaging. This is good to ensure the safety of speaker. I'll catch out when I'll open the package. So as you can see, I've opened my packaging. So let's open it. Perfect. Sorry for the trouble. So let's continue. Here's the Bluetooth speaker and cable for charging. So the cable is a micro USB 2.0 as we can't So here's the speaker. It's a speaker itself. Let's see, it's a black color unit and it's looking quite good. And turn back. So this is Logitech branding and it's a brand new speaker. So let's see, let's turn on this speaker. So down there we have a 3 button. Here is the micro USB 2.0 for charging and 3.5mm jack for audio aux cable. And here we get 3 buttons, that's volume plus, volume minus, and on off power button. And this power button works Bluetooth button as well. So let's start the speaker. Here, let's turn on and pair this Bluetooth speaker. So first you have to press the button, and I think yeah, now it's started. It's blinking a blue color button and it's showing a pairing signal. So let's pair. So here we got Logitech X50, sorry, and it's pairing. So I'll catch you back when I'll connect this Bluetooth speaker. So before this, let's start the sound test. And here we can see I have a few quite songs. Let's listen it. It's looking quite good. As a aesthetic of the speaker is much better than JBL Go. It's not much heavier. In fact, it looks quite good. Yes. Here is a sound test of Logitech X50, and you can listen. The bass is quite good and the sound output is awesome. Listen. one of my songs. Let's change the track. As you heard, the sound is quite good, pretty much good, and it's distortion free at full sound as well. There is very little distortion. I think you won't listen up.
In a long memory,
So let's stop the music. So as you have seen the sound output of Logitech X50, and I think it's quite good. As what I can see, it's a quite small speaker, but the sound output is like you're listening from a Jabil flip like a sound. So if you have any questions for this, you can comment down in comment box and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video.